Windy City Wire has been leading the way in low-voltage wire innovation since 1994, playing a crucial role in powering our ever-increasingly interconnected world, and is an essential component of various industries, including building automation, fire life safety, AV, and other low-voltage systems. We don't want to simply sell cable, we want to provide comprehensive low-voltage cable solutions that save integrators time on their projects from concept to completion. At Windy City Wire, our products are manufactured and created with a commitment to excellence, designed with our customers' needs in mind. From our SmartWire cables to our patented RackPack field system solution, Windy City Wire is offering real solutions to real issues faced by integrators in the field every day. Windy City Wire's SmartWire is manufactured in America, adhering to rigorous quality standards and technological advancements. We prioritize precision engineering, ensuring reliable and durable cabling solutions. We have invested in cutting-edge machinery and automation technologies to streamline production and ensure consistent output. These advancements help optimize efficiency, reduce production costs, and maintain a competitive edge in the global market. We select high-quality raw materials along with advanced insulating and shielding materials to enhance performance and minimize signal interference. The low-voltage cabling industry contributes significantly to fostering innovation and supporting other sectors reliant on reliable connectivity. And with a strong emphasis on quality technology and low-voltage cable solutions, Windy City Wire continues to be at the forefront of low-voltage cabling innovation, driving progress and connectivity in today's digital era.